everyone, I'm Tara, and today's craft we're going to be making ocean in a bottle. So what you'll need for that is you're going to need oil. Today I'm using canola oil, but you could also use vegetable oil. You're going to need food coloring, the color blue. Today we're going to be using gel food coloring because that's all that I could find, but the liquid drops would work well as also. And you're going to need water, which I have in this jug. And then you're also going to need a clear plastic bottle. So a 2-liter bottle, like a soda bottle, would be good to use because it's got the plastic wrap around it that's easy to take off, or a large Gatorade bottle, something that you can see through. But what I found that works best is a old mouthwash bottle. The hardest part of that is getting the stickers off of the front. So I just soaked it in water, used a little bit of dish detergent, and scrubbed it off so that you could see through the bottle. But what I like about using the mouthwash bottle is it has a child-proof lock on the top. So if you don't want to worry, nothing in here will make you sick if you drink it. Obviously don't drink it, but if your lid happens to come off and it spills, you don't want to get dye and oil all over carpet or furniture. So at least with the mouthwash bottle, it actually has a lock to it. If you're using a bottle like a 2-liter Pepsi bottle or a Gatorade bottle like this, you might want to put a little bit of hot glue around the rim before applying your lid to help it stay on. Okay, step 1, you're going to take your bottle and your water, and you want to fill your bottle about 1/3 of the way full with the water. Again, if you had a funnel for this, it would be a little bit easier, but today I do not have a funnel. So we're just going to pour it in about 1/3 of the way full. Step 2, you're going to take your food coloring dye, which again I have the gel dye, it is blue. You're going to put a few drops of that into the water. And you can add more if you need to. But you're going to spin it around. And then you're going to top off the rest of it with oil. Like I said, I have canola oil or vegetable oil. That's cheaper to buy than olive oil. So, but you're gonna fill it on up to the very top. And then I'm gonna put my lid on. And again, if you're not using the child-proof lock and you're using a different type of bottle, now would be the time that you would put your hot glue and then put your lid on, but this one's gonna lock. And then you're gonna take it and move it around. So you could add sand to this if you wanted, or glitter, or little toy fish, sharks, or something like that, or even seashells you could put in here. And the more that you move it around, the more bubbly it'll get. So occasionally you might want to set it down, let it settle, and then do it again. But you'll notice that the oil and the water don't mix, and slowly the bubbles will rise to the top, and it'll change colors as that happens. All right, so this is our mixture, and you can see the oil is risen to the top, and the food coloring in the water is at the bottom. We threw in a few little starfish, bubbles, fish. There's a shark in here somewhere. They were just stickers that we put in, and they're just kind of floating around in bubbles. So why does oil and water, why do they not mix? So there's a long scientific reason behind it, but put simply, the water weighs more than the oil. So the oil floats on top because it doesn't weigh as much as the water. It's heavier and it falls down. So here's your ocean in a bottle complete. Hope you enjoyed doing this craft.